Hi, in this video I will share with you and teach you a real life example behind the scenes publishing an ebook to Google ebook store called Google Playbook Store, okay? It's available on apps for both Android, all devices, Apple and so forth, okay? So by the way, if you want to learn how to publish ebook paperbacks, an ebook paperback, hardback, audiobook and so forth to all the major platforms out there like here, Amazon, Kobo, Barnes & Noble, Google, Ingram Spark, Apple, Findaway Voices, whatnot. Then click the link below the video. Check out my recommended resources such as my email newsletter, online course, done for you service, and an opportunity right from my publishing brand, HowExpert. Okay? Now moving on. Let's get started. Sell ebook on Google Play. Create an auto narrated audiobook, offer preview. Nah, sell ebook on Google Play. Select book ID. You have two options. ISBN, which I purchase and I recommend from the official Bowker website for independent authors and publishers, I believe, myidentifiers.com. As of right now, that's where I get it from. Or get a Google book ID. I'm not sure what that is. I'm sure you can Google it and find the answer, okay? Now, ISBN, one second. I'm going to have the ISBN number for this particular book I'm working on, behind the scenes, How Expert Guide to Moths. Okay, I'm going to enter it right here. Boom. I got it from my identifiers. Save and continue. They have different pricing packages. You know, you can get one, or you can get 10, or you can get 100, or you can get, if you're a serial publisher, I believe, in the thousands, okay, which I've gotten, believe it or not. Anyhow, title. Let me do this. Copy. Okay, paste it. Ah, 1 second. Subtitle. Click that button. Paste. Description. I don't have a full description yet, but this is what I'm going to use temporarily. Just for example purposes, I need some kind of text. So that's just an intro or outro, potentially. Got it. Everything is filled out. Page count. I'm just going to put what I believe the page count is going to be. 100 pages, let's say. This is a little bit shorter, I believe. 22,000 words instead of my usual 30,000 word book nowadays and beyond, okay? Some books are up to 40,000 words. Some books are even up to 50,000 words. But generally speaking, on 30,000 plus words, 31, 32, 35, it's all good, okay? Okay. Sometimes more information, the better, right? That and lastly, 1 second. If I want to also edit one little thing here, I'll just click save and continue. Genres, okay? So I'm just going to type in the keyword nature in the show here. Hold on a second. Insects. Boom. Okay. Nature. Let me see if they have moth. They do. Add genres. Let's do pets. Let's take a look at pets. If they have pets. Let's cover all categories, not just nature. Also, if it can go through, if a topic can go to 2 categories, why not? Or 3, multiple, why not? Right? To cover all bases, right? General. Okay, so now we got general for pets. Let's look for pets one more time. There you go. Let me look for one more. Let's just do 5, why not, right? I know this is taking a little time, but let's try it out. Nature. Why not reference? When in doubt, do reference. When in doubt, do reference. Choose reference. When in doubt, choose reference. Okay, that's what I go with. Save and continue. There's all these sometimes interesting rules here I go with sometimes. If a topic is, you've never heard of a topic, that's a good topic to go with as a publisher. Sometimes, right? To come up with a unique angle, unique topic, right? Anyhow, contributors. Okay. Let me just copy and paste real quick. 1 second. Just could do Mr. Writer. You know what? I'm just gonna copy and paste some text here for time purposes, but I'm gonna fill this out later. Okay. Replace this later. Okay. Again, fill something out right now, save it, and you can come back to it later. Just set it up right now and save it and come back to it later. It's a lot faster when you come up with the final title, subtitle, description. It's a lot easier later on. Continue. Okay, 1 second. Show advanced settings. For some reason, they have my old logo. Check out my old logo for HowExpert. Short guides from everyday expert. I had a friend, and he did designs and for an office building, believe it or not. Okay, and I think he created or I created. I'm not sure back then, man. It was one of my first sites or any. So I'm updating the logo. Okay, the new one. Save and continue. And you can hire logo design and whatnot from freelancing platforms like Upwork. Okay, that's what I like to use primarily because you can communicate very easily there. There's a lot of benefits using that platform. Also, another one is Fiverr and whatnot. Okay, content cover. 1 second. So I'm going to temporarily put in my design here. By the way, you can enter and submit the design and the book, and Google platform will know which one's which, all in the same place. Okay, close it. For right now, it's time purpose. I'm moving forward. Okay, I'm not going to upload the manuscript. They only accept, I believe, a PDF version or an EPUB version. PDF or EPUB, EPUB, which is actually the most technically official version you need to use for devices like Kindle and all kinds of Apple Reader and whatnot. Okay, I believe. But I like to start with Word document and then go from PDF to EPUB from there. Always Word document first. That's just my preference. I believe that's how it should be. Anyhow, show additional settings. Now I want to move on. Save and continue. Okay, review and publish. I'm not going to publish right now, but because I'm not finished. But there you go. From start to finish, step by step, how to publish, self-publish to Google Play Bookstore. Okay, now if you want to write for my publishing brand, the great benefits, you don't have to do this all on your own. You just do the writing. I'll take care of the rest for my publishing brand. But you can also learn from me by watching a video like this, getting a course, and do on your own, do it yourself style as well. I recommend do both. Do one on yourself and do one writing for my publishing brand. It's a great opportunity writing for my publishing brand because it's like a joint venture opportunity, right? For those of you who are internet marketers, joint venture opportunity. I have a platform, I have a brand. I put your name, your features as an expert. You have a page at the back of the book, at the end of the book too, about the author section, to about showcase who you are. If you have a website, sure, why not? But don't be spammy, okay? Just be quality. Again, quality of the book. It's not a promotion, this book, okay? This is quality content. That's what we want. So if you are interested, check it out. Anyhow, this is how to publish to Google, or behind the scenes for HowExpert, showing a book getting set up before it gets published. Thanks for watching the video. If you want to learn more, check out the recommended resources. Talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.